Hi, this is Busy Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link multiple bank accounts on your PayPal account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Linking your bank account to your PayPal account allows you to send money online from your bank, just like using a debit card or writing a check. And if someone sends you money through PayPal, you'll be able to move it right into your bank account. You can link either a savings or checking account to PayPal using the mobile app or paypal.com. So in this video, we'll show you how to link multiple bank account on your uh, PayPal account. Here's I'm logging into my PayPal account, my laptop. So now, as you can see in here on my bank and card, I've already linked one bank account, and now I want to link another account to this. So you can just click on link card or bank. You can choose if you want to link a credit card or link a bank account. Because we want to link a bank account, you can just click on this. You can enter the bank name, and you can enter your account number. Now you can click on link your bank. So now you can just click on done, and here you go. Now you have two bank account that link into your PayPal account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to link multiple bank account on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.